konti na lang.
Water. Water lang. Comb hair lang. Comb hair. Comb hair. Comb hair lang. Comb hair lang. Comb hair. Comb hair. Comb hair.
So the bird in the egg and the egg in the nest and the nest on the branch and the branch on the tree and the tree in the hole and the hole in the ground and the green grass grows all around and the green grass grows all around and the green grass grows all around and the green grass grows all around. Wow! The green grass grew all around. We sure had fun watching things grow that day.
David, watch TV lang. Watch TV.
Looks like this old tree has got another cat. They're always getting stuck on these limbs. That reminds me of the day we found another kite up here in the treehouse.
Look TV lang. Look TV. Look mo si Barney, kakain na yan ng balloon. Ay, kakain na yan ng pizza. Kakain na ng pizza. Bantay mo si Barney. Kakain na ng pizza.
Look, here's another rhyme. What does this one say? It's lots of fun when you can fly pretty kites up in the sky.
Wow!
Would be fun.
Wow, sasakay daw sila sa airplane, oh.
Oh, I think we have more than that.
Okay. They're cool. Let's go fly them.
Wow! Pogi na si David.